Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another video. So far, this is the haul from my past few hunting experiences, and I haven't got around to opening a few of them because I've been in school, but hopefully during this week I'll get around to opening and uploading a lot of these figures. You can see I'll definitely be doing the Roarivore figures, or Roar Attack, whatever they're called, and this massive Indominus Rex that came in. You can see it's the battle damage version. It never came to Canada, which kind of sucks, but a friend of mine was able to pick one up for me and ship one out, and I'm really happy about that. Because I feel this figure might be the next battle damage spinosaurus, which I still yet to have pick up because we all know how expensive that one is. But maybe one day. So I also, if you watched my previous video, found these new figures at Toys R Us. They were not available at Walmart or Toys R Us prior to this week, here in Canada that is. But they finally come around, so I guess Toys R Us is basically the target of Canada now for these Legacy Collection figures, and a lot of the other figures that for some reason Walmart doesn't pick up, like these Fierce Force. I keep forgetting the names of the new ones, they changed them up. But you can see I also got these little minis in the eggs. 2 of the glow-in-the-dark ones, and then a few of the normal assortment. So I think I'm just missing 2 now. So I'll keep on the lookout for those guys and do a video on them as well. And I'll also do a unboxing of this miniature set that I won from, what was it? Doll or something? A fruit company. Food company, yeah. So that was pretty cool, I got that. And I got some other minis that I'll be unboxing as well, so stay tuned for that. I also got a new camera, so I actually can't see how long my record time is. I don't even know if it's recording. I think it's recording. It should be. So yeah, no, stay tuned for those, and yeah, I'll make sure to cover them and then probably upload them in the following days. So I'm pretty excited for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this brief overview, and I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.